Okay, now we're going to look at just a little bit of a fancier while loop. So basically this one is going to take a value from a scanner. So first we need to define our scanner. So scanner scan is equal to new scanner, and we're going to take a value from the console. But to do that we use system.in. Alright, so what we're going to do is take a value from here, and much like this, we put in 20, it gives us 20. We put in another 20, it adds it to give us 40. 40 plus 30 is 70, 70 plus 40 is 110, and so on. So it's just going to add up each time. Alright, so we first make our scanner, we then need to import our scanner. Cool, we've got our import. Then I'm going to make a int, and we're going to call it total. So it's going to save the total of every number we put in. And then we're going to take our first value in. So using the scanner, I'm just going to call it input, and we call scan, that's the name of this specific scanner, and I'm just going to use next. We could use next int, we could use next line, but I'm just using next because we just want to take each one individually. Then we're going to use a while loop where input equals stop. So basically what this is going to do, if we had it like this, it would only enter the while loop if we had typed stop in. But what we wanted to do is keep adding until we type stop. So to do that, we can put an exclamation mark at the beginning here. That's going to negate this. In other words, it takes it from being true to making it false. We're then going to add the values. So we take our input value and we're basically going to add it to total. So total then is equal to total plus the value that we've put in the scanner. So to do that, we're going to use integer dot parseInt, which just converts the scanner that's coming in as a string, converts it into an integer, and it will add that. We're then going to print that. So we print total and then ask for the next number. In other words, we're just going to do input again and scan.next. Right, so what this does, or let's run it and see what it does. Set that as our main. Firstly, I'm going to put in 10. So I've input 10, I then input 5. Doing this gives us 15. If we add 20 to that, we're then going to get 35. If we add 45 to that, we get 80. Add 20 to that, we get 100. And then if we type stop, it then ends the program.